Japan just detonated a bomb under the RV world, a fully road-legal camper for $4,095. And the industry is scrambling to contain the fallout. Dealers are panicking, manufacturers are panicking, and buyers? They're suddenly questioning every six-figure price tag they've ever been shown. But here's the part nobody can explain: how Toyota built something this cheap without stripping out essentials. And if this thing hits global lots, the used RV market could collapse faster than anyone's ready for. If you own an RV, or you plan to buy one, this matters more than you think. Because what's coming next could change the entire market overnight: the $4,095 shock. Japan just did what every Western manufacturer said was impossible. In a live broadcast from a modest factory outside Nagoya, Toyota rolled back the curtain on the Camroad Micro RV, priced at only $4,095. Not a stripped-down shell, not a Prototype A, fully certified, road-legal camper. Within minutes, news clips went viral. People froze the screen to double-check the number, certain it had to be a translation error, but it wasn't. That was the official retail price confirmed by Toyota itself. Analysts called it an earthquake moment. For decades, the RV market trained buyers to accept six-figure prices as the cost of freedom. Now, one model threatened to erase that logic overnight. Photos showed a compact yet complete design: convertible bed, solar input, lightweight composite panels, and zero wasted space. It was the minimalist camper nobody believed could exist until Japan built it. Behind the applause came panic, because if that number holds true, every major price chart in the global RV market just turned obsolete. The number stunned the market. But what truly unsettled the experts was how Japan managed to build something that cheap without cutting a single visible corner. The engineering secret. The secret behind Toyota's $4,095 Camroad isn't magic, it's math. Every inch of it was designed to break manufacturing tradition. Instead of luxury fittings, the engineers used modular panels that snapped together like aircraft interiors, cutting labor time from 130 hours to 40. Recycled aluminum replaced heavy steel framing, and thermoplastic shells eliminated the need for paint entirely. Even the wiring harness came pre-assembled from the same supply chain used in Toyota's small commercial trucks, meaning no extra production lines. But the real stroke of genius was logistics. By sourcing every major component within 200 kilometers of Nagoya, Toyota removed nearly all shipping and storage costs. Documents leaked from suppliers show material savings as high as 65% compared to Western plants. No advertising campaigns, no middlemen, just precision efficiency scaled to perfection. This wasn't a concept for someday, it was production ready now. Every figure on the cost sheet made sense until investigators realized the math only worked because someone, somewhere, was quietly taking the hit. If you want to stay ahead of every major shift hitting the RV market, make sure you're subscribed and hit the like button. It tells the platform you want real data, not dealer spin every time we publish. The design that redefines freedom. At first glance, the Camroad looks like a courier van with windows. But step inside, and the logic becomes clear. Every inch is purposeful. A convertible dinette folds into a bed. A 5-gallon water module slides under the bench. And a single solar panel feeds a compact lithium pack, good for 2 nights of lighting and refrigeration. There's no generator, no slide-outs, and no marble countertop, just what you need to move and rest. Toyota's designers explained it as freedom through reduction. By removing weight, they reduced fuel demand, tire wear, and insurance classification. Maintenance costs drop by nearly half because there's less to break, and service parts match standard commercial vans. This stripped-back approach resonates with Japan's broader, simple mobility culture. But it rattles Western markets, built on luxury upsells. When a camper can be repaired with hardware store parts, extended warranties and dealer markups lose their grip. Owners no longer depend on specialized service centers. They can manage repairs themselves. It's a design that protects the wallet as much as the traveler. Hidden inside that simplicity was a message the industry wasn't ready to hear, and it echoed straight into boardrooms across the Pacific. Panic in the boardrooms. By the second day after the announcement, internal memos began circulating through North American and European manufacturers. Words like price floor collapse and strategic